Giving a demonstration here today on how the job's done. How long have you been doing it?
6 years.
6 years?
So, yeah.
You sort of started man and boy then there, well done. And you do it as a living or a hobby?
Oh, living, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So you're busy in the area, you've got quite a bit to do around this area, obviously.
We've got about 2 or 3 years work ahead of us, so.
Well, that's nice to know, an old-fashioned craft still alive. Sure, thank you very much for that. Thank you.
All right.
Well, there you are, 100 years of farming, looked at and talked about. It is days like this, thanks to people like Mike Lawrence, that remind us of the harvesting and haymaking of the past. We've seen some wonderful examples here of old machinery and vehicles. Hope you've enjoyed your day. See you again somewhere.